Good day, viewers. You are welcome to class. Let's take a quick look at this question. If 1.0 dm cube of a gas S diffuses through a porous plug in 60 seconds, while the same volume of hydrogen diffuses in 15 seconds under the same condition, calculate the relative molecular mass of X. When each time you see this kind of question, just know that this question is coming from Graham's law of diffusion. And in Graham's law of diffusion states that at constant temperature and pressure, the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of its density, or the square root of its molar mass. Since if you are writing JAMB, what you simply do is remember the formula of it. The formula of it is R1 all over R2 is equals to the square root of molar mass of 2 all over molar mass of what? Of 1. So whatever you have here, you bring it down here. Whatever you have here, you bring it up here. Are you following? So in this case now, what we do is that we have X and what? Hydrogen gas. Those are the two things that we have. So now here the rate of diffusion of X. So our rate of X is we have Rx all over what? Rate of what? Hydrogen gas is equals to what? Molar mass of this hydrogen gas. Are you following? Molar mass of hydrogen gas all over what? Molar mass of what? Of this X. Are you following? Now the rate of gas is given in what? It said that diffuses in 60 seconds. Are you following? Diffuses in 60 seconds. Why the one? So we have our Rx as equals to what? 60 seconds. While our RH2 is equals to what? 15 seconds. We are not going to divide this just the way it is. Remember the law of Graham's law that the rate of diffusion of gas is inversely. So we are going to invert this. Are you following? We are going to invert this. So what we are going to have is that we are going to have is that 15, which is 15 all over what? All over 60. We are inverting it. All over 60 is equals to the square root of the molar mass of hydrogen. Hydrogen H2, the molar mass is what? 2. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1, but hydrogen here has 2 molecules. So 2 times 1 will give us what? Give us 2. So it's equals to the square root of what? The square root of 2 all over the molar mass of what? X. We don't know the molar mass of S, so that is what we want to calculate. Are you following? So now we divide this one by this one. So we have what? 15 going to here. We have 1 all over what? 1 all over 4 is equals to, it means that 15 will cancel itself one time. So 15 times what will give you 60. If it's 15 times 4 will give us what? 60 is equals to the square root of what? 2 all over what? X. Molar mass of what? X. Are you following? So having this kind of situation, what we simply do is that mathematically we need to square both sides so that we can remove this. Look at what we are looking at here. We are looking at this S. What's the molar mass of this S? That is what you calculate the relative molecular mass of what? Of S. This is what we are looking at. Are you following? So what we do is that we are going to square both sides so that we will remove the square root of this one. So if you square this side, here will now be what? 1 all over what? 4 into bracket square is equals to what? We remove this one. This one. So if you square this one will remove itself because we are removing this side. So we now have 2 all over what? X. Are you following? So what we are going to do is that 1 square is what? 1 all over 4 square. 4 square means 4 times 4. Are you following? So give you what? 16 is equals to what? 2 all over what? x. So what we are going to do, we are going to cross multiply. We are after of this what f, this m, this is what we are after of. So we are going to cross multiply. This one will time this one will what time this one. So mx times 1 will give us what is the same thing as ms times itself. So we is equals to mx times 1 is equals to what? Is equals to, we times this one by this one, 16 times 2. So we have what? Mx is equals to what? 32. So our molar mass is what? 32. So the correct option is what? Option D. For more of this video, subscribe to JAMB YouTube channel, or you can follow us on Facebook on JAMB Educational Hub. Please share this video to anybody that is writing JAMB, SAT, or WAEC. It can be a benefit to the person. Thank you, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Bye bye.